In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email background in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, what each option means, and how to pick a background that feels right for you without affecting how your emails look to others. Start from your Outlook dashboard, the main inbox view where you read and compose messages. Make sure you're in the standard mail view so you can see the toolbar across the top of the page. Next, open Settings. Look for the small gear icon near the top of the screen. When you click it, a settings panel will slide in from the side. This is your hub for personalizing how Outlook looks and behaves. If your window is small, you might need to maximize the browser so the gear is easier to spot. Inside that panel, go to the section labeled General. This area groups together broad preferences for your account and app experience. Selecting General prepares the menu where visual and layout options live, keeping everything in one place so you don't have to hunt through unrelated tabs. Once you're in General, choose Appearance. This is where Outlook lets you customize how the interface looks, including themes, colors, and the background that appears behind your mail interface. Think of Appearance as your style control center. It won't change the content of your emails, just how Outlook itself looks to you. Now choose the background you want. You'll typically see a collection of themes or background styles that alter the colors and patterns across your mailbox. As you click through the options, Outlook will preview the change right away so you can gauge readability and comfort. If you spend long hours in your inbox, consider a softer or darker background to reduce eye strain. Prefer a brighter workspace? Pick a lighter, more vibrant theme. Keep in mind, this change is purely personal. Recipients won't see your background when they receive your emails. It only affects your own view while you read and compose. Most changes here save automatically, so once you've found a background you like, you can simply close the settings panel and get back to your inbox. If you ever want to switch things up, return to the same appearance area and try a different option until it feels right. That's all there is to it. You started from your Outlook dashboard, opened Settings, went into General, selected Appearance, and chose the background that matches your style and comfort. Enjoy your refreshed inbox experience.